And another reaction has come in from the Grand Mufti of Jammu and Kashmir, Nasirul Islam, who's condemned the recent fashion show in Gulmarg and has called it cultural invasion. He emphasized that such events are unacceptable and warned that if they continue, there will be retaliation in Kashmir. Listen in.
किस तरह से देख रहे हैं इस कंट्रोवर्सी को जो गुलमर्ग में हुई?
ये कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है, ये हकीकत है और इस हकीकत के पीछे अज़ाइम है और अज़ाइम बड़े ख़तरनाक है। लिहाजा हम उन अज़ाइमों को खाक में मिला देंगे। हम ये नहीं चाहते हैं कि हमारी लड़कियां भी कल जाके रक्स कर लें, हमारे लड़के शराब पिएं, हमारी सकाफत ख़राब हो। ये ज़मीन अतकिया की है, ये सूफिया की है, ये औलिया की ज़मीन है। इस ज़मीन पे बेहुदगी नहीं चलेगी, इस ज़मीन को हम नापाक नहीं होने देंगे, चाहे इसके लिए हमें अपनी जानों का नजराना भी पेश करना पड़े। लिहाजा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को मैं ये वार्न करता हूँ कि मुकम्मल तौर पे वार्न करता हूँ कि इन जैसे हरकत को फौरी तौर बंद किया जाए और जो लोग ये ख्वाब देखते हैं कि हम कश्मीर की सकाफत को मिलामेट करेंगे, इन्वेजन करेंगे, कल्चरल इन्वेजन, दे आर लिविंग इन फूल्स पैराडाइज एंड दे शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट एनी सच थिंग इन फ्यूचर।
और वहीं पर अगर हम बात कर लें, इस पे पॉलिटिकल मुद्दे भी उठे हैं। कई सारे लोग ये कह रहे हैं कि जब तक वहाँ के लोकल एमएलए या स्टेक होल्डर से परमिशन नहीं ली होगी तब तक इस तरीके के इवेंट्स नहीं हो सकते थे वहाँ पे।
जिसने इसकी इजाज़त दी है, सबसे पहले मैं गवर्नमेंट से यही अपील करूंगा, सीईओ ऑफ गुलमर्ग को बिल्कुल बर्खास्त कर दिया जाए एंड ही शुड बी सेंट होम और उसको घर भेजा जाए और उसके खिलाफ बाज़ाब्ता इंक्वायरी कमीशन मुनक्कद होना चाहिए, लगना चाहिए। इस मौजू के पीछे कल्चरल इन्वेजन का मंसूबा है, लिहाजा इसको हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दिस।
Okay, so there you heard from the Grand Mufti of Jammu and Kashmir said this kind of a show is completely unacceptable in Jammu and Kashmir, sends a wrong precedent, and most importantly, he says this points to cultural invasion in the Union Territory. Going across to Ishan Mani, who joins us live with more details. Ishan, the war of words was also witnessed in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly, while the Chief Minister came out to say very clearly that this is not allowed, not just in the holy month of Ramadan, but otherwise as well. There are questions being asked by the BJP, but are all political parties speaking in one voice when it comes to these kind of fashion shows in the Union Territory?
Well, absolutely right. What opposition is speaking in one voice at least. They are calling for an action and questioning that what really was the Chief Minister doing when he holds the portfolio of tourism as well. Because Gulmarg is a famous ski resort and the BJP believes that without the knowledge of Chief Minister, and their allegations are that the event was hosted in the property of one of Umar Abdullah's relatives, very close relatives, and that's their primary allegation, and they should be inquiring about that as well. While the Chief Minister yesterday said there will be an inquiry, and the similar statements he made on the floor of the House today. But the fact is that photo shoots have taken place in Kashmir. As I said to you earlier, that there are photo shoots which have taken place. Even in autumn this year, there was photo shoot of a big named brand that took place in Nishat and Shalimar Gardens during the autumn time. But what is inappropriate, according to people and those who are criticizing it, is the sort of attire they were wearing. For Shivam and Naresh is their ski resort collection that they were trying to display on their 15th anniversary of work. This label has been working on this collection for a while, and they wanted to showcase in the peaks of Kashmir Valley, in the snowy covered peaks of Gulmarg. But what led to the entire controversy was sort of attire that certain models were wearing, which has been termed by certain people as a nude attire, and that hasn't gone down well. And people are saying that considering the Kashmir's that sanctity of culture and a religious ethos of being a Sufi and known as a Sufi and saints place, where it has had a deep influence on its cultural values, that such kind of shows should not have been allowed to take place. Because Kashmir sees hundreds of movies being shot every year, and photo shoots also take place. There are couples now even coming to Kashmir to do their pre-wedding shoots, but that hasn't ever faced criticism. But why this shoot has faced criticism is because of the sort of attire that they were wearing, and plus the BJP and other political parties are now doing politics over it, and they're questioning a Chief Minister because he holds the portfolio of tourism and are seeking answers from him. That whether the serving of liquor outside was there a permission, who has given that permission, and the fact should be stated very clear. Because earlier it was Lieutenant Governor who used to head the GAD, but now it is the Chief Minister, because all these departments fall under him, so he has to answer to really who gave them permission. And the fact is that, if you technically speak, if this show has been held on a private property, then you don't technically need a permission to host this show. But if it is done on a government property, then definitely you need a permission, and you need to understand the cultural sensitivity of a place like Kashmir, and that too during the month of Ramadan, where people fast from dawn to dusk, and particularly in these months. So yes, all of this is surrounding this controversy, but now it will be interesting to see what kind of statements does come in from the Chief Minister, or the sort of inquiry that he has set in motion, and asked for a 24-hour time to get all these answers and see that who really provided all the infrastructure, and who really permitted such kind of activity taking place. And plus, there were certain shots that we recognize being taken through drone. And Kashmir being a restricted place, and Gulmarg being close to the line of control, and Indian Army civil installation being there, was the permission given to allow drone to shoot there? That is also something which needs to be seen. And all of these questions will now be answered when this inquiry comes out. And if at all, we get these answers from the government, and if they are serious enough to answer these questions, they will definitely come out with some answer within 24 hours, which will pass tonight, and we might have some answers for all of these questions by tomorrow, if the government is really serious on them. But yes,
so a lot
opposition
of questions
Iltija
really
Mufti,
pointed
Mehbooba
towards the
Mufti,
Chief Minister,
everyone.
given that he's in charge of the tourism department, whether or not permission was sought. Was it supposed to be sought? Was this a fashion show, or had this fashion show taken place on a private property? And most importantly, the other divergent view that's come in of how there should be acceptance for all kind of views and thoughts. That's another interesting take that's come in. Thank you, Ishan, though, for getting us all of those details and the several reactions that have come in. But let's play them out as well for our viewers.
उमर साहब ने उस पर अपना बयान भी दे दिया है, उमर साहब ने उसकी इंक्वायरी भी इनिशिएट जब कर दी है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे इससे ज्यादा कुछ बोलना चाहिए.
Should not have happened. Jammu and Kashmir is a place of Sufi saints, जिसको हम कहते हैं ऋषि और मुनियों का स्टेट है. ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स इवन नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसेस में भी सेमी न्यूड शो जम्मू कश्मीर में नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. अब उमर साहब ने इसका एक कॉग्निजेंस लिया है, देखते हैं, रिपोर्ट मांगी है, रिपोर्ट आ जाए, जिस तरह उमर साहब ने कहा एक्शन ली जाएगी. उसके
हुई ना बात, अभी तो बात हुई है, नहीं होना चाहिए इस तरह के हरकत, इस तरह की सिचुएशन जो इस माह रमजान मुतबरक महीने में नहीं होनी चाहिए. जो गुलमर्ग में हुआ गलत हुआ, नहीं होना चाहिए.
मोदी जी की, अमित शाह जी की, केंद्र सरकार की सोच है कि किस तरीके से कश्मीर में वो दिन वापस आए, कश्मीर में पुरअमन हो, शांति हो. और उसके लिए लगभग जब से 11 वर्षों से दिल्ली के अंदर सरकार बनी है, और खासकर 5 अगस्त 2019 के बाद लगभग कश्मीर में एक शांति का माहौल, और पूरी देश और दुनिया के लोग कश्मीर में जाना चाहते हैं. और उसी को लेके उन्हीं हालात को वापस लाने के लिए इस तरीके के प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किए जा रहे हैं. लेकिन कुछ लोग जो हैं आज भी कश्मीर के अंदर शांति नहीं चाहते हैं, पुरअमन नहीं चाहते, और कश्मीर का माहौल में एक बेहतरी नहीं चाहते हैं. तो उन लोगों की आदत है, उन लोगों के खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई होगी जो लोग इस तरीके के बिना मतलब के इशू बनाकर और कश्मीर का माहौल खराब करने की कोशिश करते हैं.